Hi you guys. Today is December 28th, and this is my temperature blanket, how it looks. I haven't done today's row yet. I haven't even checked the temperature. But for this video, I'm actually going to be looking at the other parts. Because this is so big, this is like really big. Like this is my hand. And it's big. This is actually this is part 3 of my blanket. I have 2 other sections of this blanket for this whole year, and they are currently unattached. But today I'm gonna sew them together, and you're gonna watch me. Okay, so this is section 3, and then these are sections 1 and 2. This is section 1, and that's 2. And yeah, I'm gonna spread them around and show you how big they actually are. This is section 1. It's very big, very long. This is actually my largest, this is my largest section, like width-wise, like from that end to this end. Actually, the shortest from this end to that end, because I made a mistake. But we're gonna fix that, and it's gonna be fine. And it looks kind of wonky, like maybe it's hard to see in the camera, but this actually, it's like wider on top right here than it is down there, and I just counted them, and they have like all the same stitches ish, like maybe a little. I counted these little bumps things in the pattern, and each side has roughly 22 and a half, so maybe they have like 1 or 2 stitches bigger, but like I'm pretty sure it's also like the yarn I used just got bigger. Anyway, this is section 2, and I'm about to spread it out. Okay, this is section 2. As you can see, there's a lot more warm colors. This is my summer section, and you guessed it, look at that chunk that's missing. This is my mistake. I accidentally made section 2 longer than section 1. Unfortunate. So that's gonna lead to a couple extra months of this project, but yep, this is how it looks, and I lined it up. So I'm gonna start over here where it's better. I'm gonna sew that. And it's overlapping a little bit, like there. So it's pretty decently long. Just wouldn't fit in this little floor space that I have. But yeah, I'm about to sew that together, and I'm going to use a regular yarn needle with white yarn, because the first row on this blanket, section 2, is white, and the last row on this blanket, section 1, is white. Yay me, good for planning ahead. In case you're wondering, the white strips are the strip between the month. So yeah, this section 2 goes from, so it's from June to September, so 4 months. That's 5 months, and that section right there is just 3 months. So it's a lot, like, not as wide. But because I made the exact same mistake I did on this blanket with this blanket, it's even longer than section 2. So that's gonna be fun. That'll be a completely different video. Okay, so I have my yarn needle. Ta-da. It's on white yarn. Ta-da. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tie a knot. Just a regular knot. I don't do a lot of knots in crochet, but I probably should. Knots help things. So I have that together, and now I'm just going to, I'm sitting on it, so it's awful. Let the 2 pieces I'm sewing together, lay them next to each other like that. That visual may not be helpful at all. And then just start sewing, like, yeah. And are bound. And I'm going to try to keep this tail flat so I can sew it in between the two pieces of crochet so it doesn't pop up later, because that would be awful. Okay, so I've done a few stitches, and at this point it's sewn together, and because I tied it, it should hold, and unless you like rip it apart, it should be good. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish sewing it like that. Alright, I just finished sewing these two together, and before I show you the finished product, I'm gonna show you this. So this is where the white part finishes, and I crocheted the white line for part 2, and I measured it against this part 1. I was like, oh no, it's gonna be too short. So on one of my second lines, I crocheted extra right there, off itself, and it looks really ugly because it is. And now I finish them together, and I find out the white part matches up perfectly. Like, there's maybe one stitch difference, and now I have all this because I was an idiot. The things you learn. Alright, this is what it looks like. It's very big, and I love it. And my cat, she's kind of like, I don't know what to think about this, but she's on a tiny corner. So yeah. But yeah, this top, it's even wider than the bottom, and there's that. Oh, I don't know why it keeps switching out. I think maybe my stitches get bigger, or maybe the yarn is bigger. I don't know. It's not nice though. I don't like that. But right here, the gap is actually smaller than I thought, which is very nice. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and have a great day.